Hello everyone! Today, we're going to solve a math problem that many people often get wrong. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos by leaving a comment below. First off, it's crucial to understand the order of operations in mathematics. Here's the sequence. First, operations inside parentheses. Next, exponents. Then, multiplication and division, from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction, from left to right. Let's look at our question. What operations are there? There are addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. First, we multiply 5 times 5 equals 25. Now we divide 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Now we have addition and subtraction left in our calculations. Let's start from the beginning. This fraction bar is division. There's also addition. 5 plus 25 equals 30. Finally, 30 minus 1 equals 29. The answer to the question is 29. Did you understand the solution? Now it's your turn. You're going to solve this question. Pause the video and see if you can figure out the answer. I'm solving it. Feel free to follow along. Solve this question and write your answer in the comments. I hope you understood the solution. To support me and help me continue making content like this, please like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.